Did you know solar energy has grown over 250% in the last 5 years, with residential installations now exceeding 5 million homes across the U.S.? Solar is no longer a new energy source. It's become the primary solution for homeowners taking control of their electricity costs. And with a solar battery system, homeowners can now keep the lights on even during extended outages, which have increased over the last few years due to more severe weather and grid instability.
Dealing with rising energy becomes part of the whole picture of your feeling like you're creating a financially stable situation for your family.
And so if we're able to save through energy costs through solar, I think it allows us to be able to do different things and branch out to other options that we can help being able to spend more time with our family. Our family is really busy. We're all over the place all the time.
We're always running in and out, and that we're a very fun, loving family, super active.
So we're expending a lot of energy as well.
For David and his family, the move to solar plus energy storage are a natural fit, especially as the average U.S. electricity rates have increased 30% in the last 5 years. Thus, battery storage economics have become increasingly more attractive to them, but finding the right solar energy solution is critical.
Just knowing you don't have to depend on the grid in order to have that source, even in an emergency, that we will be able to rely on ourselves versus relying on the power grid. The biggest thing for me for solar is saving money.
We live in a very different utility environment now than we ever have. So increased utility rates, power outages in the areas. So a solar plus storage solution is really the answer to that. We want to grow energy together. That's really what we're doing with SolarEdge Nexis, really bringing to life something that's attainable for homeowners, every single homeowner, making solar easy, simple, budget conscious. It also allows us to take up minimal footprint, about 40% less space, and will charge 2 times faster. It's a simplified solution that's only going to take a half a day for an installer and is something that we can fit around any budget.
And just how does that technology work? Helping the family learn fact from fiction is Gavin Campbell from ES Solar.
With the new SolarEdge Nexis, we have the ability to stack by basically 5 kilowatt-hour blocks. They're just pretty much click and play, which is really nice. That's kind of the main goal, is that it is operating independently. You're not doing anything to control it, or you don't have to tell the battery to charge or discharge or anything like that. There's no maintenance that you need to do, nothing that you need to. With SolarEdge and with ES Solar, we have the ability to monitor your system. And so it's continuously looking to make sure that your solar panels are producing as much as they should be. We have warranties on some of the products for up to 25 years. And so same with the batteries. One of the best benefits with SolarEdge is that it will be one app that you monitor your system from. So both the battery production as well as your solar production will be in one app. And with that, you'll be able to see how much your solar panels are producing.
You're good. Feel pretty good about it.
We are a residential and commercial solar installer. So our primary focus for the last 4 or 5 years has been batteries and backup storage on homes, mostly residential. One of the things that sets SolarEdge apart, they're just kind of always at the forefront of the technology and what's coming next for the industry. Especially with the new system, the Nexis battery creates a better fit for the customer, gives a larger and more broad customer base for us to be able to go out and find the right fit for their home and for their needs.
ES Solar joined forces with SolarEdge to donate both the solar panels and Nexis battery system to the family. They created a gorgeous mural to commemorate David and Celestia's inspiring son, who recently passed away from cancer.
I've been battling Ewing sarcoma for the past 4.5 years.
He was really good at having a really individual relationship with each of our kids. He's kind of the glue, we call him, for our family.
Yeah, he was the life of the party. Just made a huge impact on our community, his friends. It's definitely touching to see so many people step up and willing to help.
ES brought the Fia family to us as a concept. We really wanted to show the impact of what solar and storage can do for a family.
You know, when their story came across the table, it was a unanimous decision that we felt like this was the family that we felt would best suit the project. And then just working with them and seeing like the strength and the faith that they have has been a really cool experience.
Start your solar power journey at SolarEdge.com or find out more at designingspaces.tv.